For this last part, let's go ahead now and create the tie. First, we're going to create a nerve sphere. Rotate it 90 degrees on Y. Take out the holes. Take out the middle ones. Scale them out. Make them flat. Move them up. Go into the isopalms. Go ahead and create 3 of those. Go into surfaces. Insert isopalms. Then go into the surfaces again and do rebuild. Make sure your CVs are turned on and hit rebuild. Make sure your axis is set to world. Let's delete the history. Go back to the holes. Go to object mode. Scale that down. If you got symmetry still selected, make sure to turn that off so that you can select the outer holes. Once you have them selected, you can move them slightly back. Take the ones on the bottom. Push them inwards just like that. This is where the tie will come out. Push this down. Go to object mode. Flatten these out a bit. Just like that. Let's go ahead and push this in place. Scale that up. Alright, there we go. I'm gonna go ahead now and take this chance to make this slightly bigger. Turn on my soft selection. Let's make it pretty low. Let me also turn on my symmetry. Turn off the soft selection, turn off the symmetry. I'll move this slightly higher. Let's go ahead now and create a polycube. Bring it into place. Let's flatten that out. Let's go ahead and add edge loop. We can actually go here, insert edge loop, option box, and let's add multiple edge loops. Let's do about 6. And now we can accommodate them accordingly. Let's go back again into insert edge loop. Let's change this to 2. Close that out. Go ahead now scale some of these up. Let's go ahead and smooth that out. Press number 3 to see your results. Move that forward slightly. Let's add some edge loops. There we go. Lastly, to finish the tie it up, let's go ahead and add a band that goes around the neck. I just moved that a little bit out of the way so that we have space. Using a Nerves Taurus. Put it into place. Scale it up. Grab the holes. Grab these holes from the interior, expand them out. So grab the inside of the torus, scale it up, grab the outside of the torus, scale it down so that you have more of a flat shape. Grab the entire object, put it back in place. Scale it down into place. And now keep moving the holes. Alright, there we go. Also, I want to make sure that I add some sort of undershirt or something underneath here. Let's grab the neck. Let's duplicate. Scale that up a bit after duplicating it. Bring it out. Modify center pivot. Add a couple of edge loops. Just like so. Grab the middle edge. Scale it down. Grab the top edge. Extrude inwards. Grab the edge loop. Add about 2 more. Smooth that out. Grab the edge towards the bottom. Scale that up. Go to object mode. Move it into place. Scrub these edges again. Just scale them down a bit so it doesn't go through the geometry. Lastly, let's go ahead and do the eyebrows. Let's insert a polycube. Put it into place. Scale it down. Make it flat. Add some edge loops. Move around the vertices. Add a couple more edge loops. Shape it some more. Let's go ahead and rotate it. or our last part, we're gonna go ahead and duplicate whatever is left and making sure that things are ready to go for the next step.